Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can do a live preview of your HTML file while coding on VS Code. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to do a live preview of your HTML file while coding on VS Code, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, you would need to install this extension. So this extension is called Live Server. Live Server is a VS Code extension that allows you to instantly open your project in the browser and automatically refresh the page every time you save your code. It's really helpful because you don't need to manually reload the browser, which makes development faster and easier. So to do that, just go to the Extensions tab right here. And then just search for Live Server. And after searching, you will now be able to see it, so just go and select it. And then you can now install the extension. The install button will be placed right here, but in my case, there's no install button because I have already installed my Live Server, so I won't need to do it again, but for you, it will show the install button, so you just need to click that. And once you've finished installing your Live Server, I will now show you how you can use it. So for that, first, I want you to go to the file that you want to run. And once you're on the file, next, I want you to look at the bottom right of your screen, and then you will now see the Go Live button right here. Just go and click it. And then there you go. The file will now run on the browser. And now, for a better and easier development, we will use split screen so that we can see our code on one side and the live preview on the other, just like this. This way, any changes we make in the code will be reflected instantly, making it easier to spot errors and adjust our design. So to do that, just press this combination of Windows plus Add key plus the left arrow key on your keyboard. And then there you go guys, your screen will now be split, so just adjust the size of each screens based on your preference. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you can now start coding much faster, easier with this one. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.